Hello everybody, welcome to another vlog. Today it's me, Pierre Farrugia, and I am in Mosta. I am exactly in front of the Mosta church. Hopefully if it's open I will go inside and I show you a bomb that went through the roof during World War II and ended inside the church. As you can see today, this is Malta, it's 4, 6 to 7 again. It's every week, it's getting me crazy. So and after we're going to visit underground shelter here. It starts somewhere here and goes there, but first let's try to go inside and let me show you how beautiful it is. I think I can go from here. This is the dome from inside. Wow, how beautiful it is everywhere you look. But I'm mostly here because I want to show you that unexploded bomb. It's amazing, eh? They are doing restoration now. We have big cranes, but when you see how beautiful and well restored it is, you appreciate the work, eh? And now I'm going inside to check. It's a replica of the bomb, not the real bomb, but to show you the miracle that this bomb got into this church and it didn't explode. Look how beautiful this area is. This is what I came here to show you. This is the miracle bomb, it's called. This bomb here got into the church but didn't explode. And that's why this one will introduce us to the next feature we're going to do in a World War II shelter. But look how big it is compared to me. And God forbid it didn't explode. Let me show you better. Amazing, yeah? Let me put some lighter. And this is a replica, because that's what they told me. And now let's head to the World War II shelter. Got out of the church and heading into the underground shelter, which is here. Oops, it's going to save me. Let's go down the shelter. Take care not to slip. Look how beautiful it is. You see, Air Raid Shelter, and we are going down. In front of the church. We are still going down. One will find those collars that bend to prevent blast for going in. Let me show you. We came from there, here, and now we're going down. Amazing, eh? And it's raining, so it was the perfect place to come. This is good for tourists. If you have bad weather, you can come to these places. Eh? Here we start our shelter. A very old oil empire. Air Raid Shelter, prisoner shelter, the no risk warden's post. And this is the siren. Wow, how nice it is. This is the World War II shelter. It have been arranged very, very nicely. Eh? These are the noise of the bombers. Eh? Lots of formation, and it has this cool history showcases. Eh? Look how nice it is. Eh? Wow. Inside here, one can find these showcases with period tools. Look, pickaxes, odda ta' tħaffir fi shelter digil tools. And you have all the information. The sound you're hearing, they are not thunder, they are sound to represent the bombings here. This is the Benney, the stone mazer, lot of tools. Some of these I remember them. I think many of them are still used. This is And you have in English and in Maltese, sorry, and in English. Tools of the blacksmith. In Maltese is called the haddietar. This is the landier, the tin maker, tinsmith. And the tools he used to do. It's really, really nice. This is the carpenter, il-mastru daxxa, carpenter. Many of these tools, I remember my dad used to have them. It's very, very well done. Here is il-ħajjata, this is mistress who used to do. My grandmother and my mother used to have one of these. He used to do the clothes. Il-ħassila, the washer. And these are all things of the period, which is pretty good. Most probably they used to wash the soldiers' clothes. The barber, look at those tools. And look at me there in the mirror. And here, ARP forwarding post. Let's check this part out. They were very small. Another oil lamp which has been converted. And if you like this, you can see how small the area is. But everything here was limited because of space. And ease for the Holy Mary. You will find it everywhere. We always Maltese find space for something like that. Let's continue our journey. And the people have moved a little bit forward, which is good for me. So going a little bit back, you can have some information on this place. Which is really nice. Oil lamp. Amazing, This is the hole that bomb that I showed you at the beginning came from. Amazing, this place. Apart from WW2 Shelter, here we can find a lot of history. China, the kitchen, Maltese English. And these are enamel bowls. My grandmother used to have all this stuff. And we are still moving on. Here is exit of the shelter. Let's have a look. This is to go outside. But let's see what we have here. There's shelter as well. We are still going up. Here there must be another exit. Remember, all places here, they had to have multiple entrances and exits. Let's check this place. Let's check this area, shelter as well. Need to go down. I think there's a lot of people inside here. Another niche. A diffusion. It's like our normal radio. Here we have some tools. El Bidwi farmer. This was the plow. You can see here. This is to cut the trees. And bags were done from the branches. And here you can see shelters used during World War II. Some information about this place. It's really interesting. There are some places There are some places like this which are closed and let's try to get in. Really pass. I can go so in because I have the GoPro. But this is closed for us. So let's go out. So now, let's go out and continue exploring this area here. Continue in Nara. We can see the scarpan, the cobbler, and some tools they used to do. And Pristino and Lempara. Here is the Sinian. He used to sharpen tools and knives to the people. In Malta, he will come most probably with the horse and carry the stone with him. And like this, he can sharpen the tools. And then the last time, the potter. I think one of the oldest jobs in Malta. Remember how much pottery we find around. If you see these are like drain pipes. And here we reach the end of this area. And here, let me show you. It's another exit that goes outside. Now we find the end of the tunnel. It was very nice, full of history. I really enjoyed this. It got me out of the rain and all the wind and all the cold today, so it's a plus. Until next time, bye-bye, yeah? And hope you enjoyed the visit in the Mosta World War II shelters. And as we started, remember that bomb. So these were not built for nothing. So let's head home now.